Are you ready to ensure your Shopify store is set up to receive payments smoothly? Let's walk through how to update your bank details to get your payouts flowing correctly. First, log into your Shopify admin on the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down and click on the Settings option. This will open up a new menu with various configuration choices. Within the Settings menu, look for the Payments option and click on it. This is where you'll manage how your store accepts payments and receives funds. Here on the Payments page, you'll see your connected payment providers. If you're using Shopify Payments, find it in the list and click the Manage button right next to it. This section allows you to directly manage your Shopify Payments account. Look for the area related to your bank account information, often labeled something like Payout, Details, or Bank Account. Click on the option to edit or change your bank account. You'll now be prompted to enter your bank account details. This includes your bank name, account number, and routing number. Input the correct information carefully. Make sure to enter your routing number accurately. This is crucial for directing your payouts to the right place. Once all your bank details are entered correctly, scroll down and click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. This action will apply your new bank information to your Shopify Payments account. You should now see a confirmation message letting you know your bank details have been updated. This means your future payouts will go to your new account, ensuring your business finances are on track. Congratulations!